everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos, sometimes I blog. Today I'm doing a Happy Mail unboxing, and this Happy Mail is from Sandra. Thank you so much again, Sandra. She reached out to me, wanted to send me a few things, and I am so excited and grateful, and I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's just jump right in. I have not seen anything. This was very generous of her. I didn't even do my nails because I was too excited to open this up. So all right, so seeing the top part, we got a couple. Oh my gosh, this is way too cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got some covers here. These are clear covers. I don't know what size these are, but they look like they're for the B6. These are so pretty, and I hope you can see that it has like a little like shimmer to it. It has some glitter. So cute. Clear covers. I love this. Love it. We have another clear cover, and this one is sized for the Hobonichi wigs. How gorgeous. I love this. This is gonna look really pretty in my Kim board when I get it. I'm so excited. Wow, thank you so much again, Sandra. Okay, so we have another. Oh, I think this one is sized for the A6 techo. This is all getting to me right on time for my birthday, because my birthday's in a few weeks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And in here we have some stickers. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I love these. My 4-year-old was dying to see what was in the box. He was like, what do you have there, Mom? I want to see it. I'm like, I need to film an unboxing. Then I'll show you. Then I'll show you. Y'all, like, this is too much. This is way too much, Sandra. Thank you so much. Okay, let me just get through them real quick. So we have a couple of Happy Planner sticker books. And y'all, so pretty. Okay, I think they're cutting the grass. Are you kidding me right now? Yes, they are. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so here we have, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I have not seen this. Okay. I found a little paper there. Want to make sure there was nothing. This is so pretty. Wow, this is stunning. I'm just gonna go through them really quick because I don't want to make the video super long. This one is stunning. So pretty. Y'all, and I'm not gonna be selfish, I'm gonna share all of this with my sister. She's doing journaling now and she's really enjoying it, and I know that she's gonna come and get a few of the things. She's gonna be like, you gotta share, you better share. I will share with her. We have more stickers. we have more sticker books here. Wait. Okay. Alrighty, so we have another one like though I think we just flipped through one of this one, I think. And whatever, it's doubled. My sister's getting one. Yeah, we have two of the same. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna give one to my sister and I'm not gonna flip through that one. Okay, we have this one. Oh my gosh, I love this. Be brave, dream, create, plans. I love this, love the neutral and the letters. I feel so blessed. I really do. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can't wait to create things and make things. I might even journal today. Okay. I might even journal today because no lie, I have so many stickers. I can make so many things. Look at this. My life is feeling kind of a test I forgot to study for. Yeah, girl, same. So cute. Gorgeous. And then there's another one here. Ooh, pretty. I love that. Wait, it has crystals and the moon. How cute. I love the purple here. Hi, baby. Okay, my little Siggy babes just woke up and he's been dying to see these. I'm opening the box that you wanted to see. He's in his room. Okay. Well, can you close the door? Because I'm filming a video. Okay? How do you feel?
Can you bring the car here?
Let me finish the video and then I'll bring it, okay? He barely slept. Poor baby. So we have a couple more here. Oh my gosh, I love these. Follow me on Instagram because sometimes I don't show you what I do. So here they are. And then we have, wait a minute. We have a couple more sheets here, which I have one of those like reusable sticker books, so whatever is loose, I'll put it in there. Okay, yep. We have a couple loose sheets in here. I'm just, you know, this is so much and I'm so grateful. And yeah, like I said, I'm sharing everything. Look at this washi. How cute. This one is from the Paper Studio. Never seen these before. There's a lot of gorgeous washi here. Really pretty. Look at these. I am in love with strawberries. I love strawberries. Strawberries, everything. Love these also. How cute. I love it. Okay. And there's more, y'all. There's more. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So we have some like Hello Kitty and all her friends. These are so pretty. We have this one's from Stickabilities. Never seen this one either. How pretty. Love it. Whoops. Okay, and she also sent me big stickers. I love this. I already have my stickers for the new year. All right. Okay, and she sent some covers. Sandra, this is too much. This is too much. Thank you. Okay, they are gorgeous. This one I think is sized for a B6. And this one is sized for an A6, which I told you guys that I got an A6 for, what's that called? I got an A6 for next year. I love them. And she sent me another cover. And this is for like a traveler's notebook. How pretty. Thank you so much. And we have a couple, yeah, we have a few more things. We have a few of these like these are the ones that you put the little pictures in for the ring binders. So these are really cool too. Love these. And she sent me like one of the reusable sticker books. How cute. Oh my gosh, these are all from the Coffee Monsters Co. She did mention that she had a couple of them that she didn't use. Oh my gosh, look at the little pumpkins, so cute. Oh my gosh, Sandra, stop. You have the church ones. I love these. You know, I don't have church or Bible study stickers that I really wanted. How pretty. Clean the house. Love that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then I can put, oh my god, you have the bows. How cute. I can put a bunch of my older stickers in this book, and it would be easy for me to carry it on the go. How cute. We got a lot of pumpkins. So happy for the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, look at this little bat. Love this. How stunning. Wait, she has more in the back. Oh my gosh. Okay, how cute. We have the coffee, the Instagram ones. Like, look at this, so cute. Wow, I love. Look at this little bunny. How stunning. So cute. Like, we have workout, which I'm working out. Well, I'm walking. Love these. Love the flamingos. How stinking cute. Look at the glitter on these guys. So pretty. Look at that fairy. Oh my god, are these tumbles? Yes, they're tumbles. We have more here. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. My sister's gonna love those. I love them too. How pretty. Y'all, this is so stunning. So stunning. Oh my gosh, like this is so cute. All right, yeah. Let me see. Yep, that's all right. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so happy and I feel so blessed. Thank you so much, Sandra, for sending this to me. I feel so grateful right now. I'm beyond blessed. You sent me a lot and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me just going and ooh and the whole time, but everything is just so cute. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all really soon for another one. Bye.